Dolav box pals are easy and safe to stack, convenient to handle, and lightweight. In comparison tests between competing box models at the U.S. testing laboratory, Dolav's box pal proved to be the strongest and most durable. In case of mechanical damage, only the Dolav box pal can be easily repaired. Dolav box pals, hard to break, easy to fix. To repair a box, the following welding tools are required. A welding gun powered by hot compressed air. Plastic welding rods. A hammer or other means for straightening projecting pieces. A manual or electric deburrer for smoothing the broken edge. A utility knife. First stage, locate the break and clean the area. Second stage, smooth the edges of the break. The deburring tool can be used to smooth the groove to an even 90 degrees. It's important to remove all burrs and shavings from the area to be welded. Third stage, make sure the welding gun temperature is at 300 degrees Celsius, that's 570 degrees Fahrenheit. Insert the welding rod into the feeding tube of the nozzle. Press the end of the welding rod lightly into the prepared groove using the nozzle of the welding gun. When the welding rod reaches the correct temperature, it softens and changes color slightly. Immediately begin moving the welding gun slowly along the groove at an angle of 45 degrees. During welding, a very thin line of the melted material can be seen along both sides of the rod. Apply continuous and even pressure on the welding rod as it softens. When welding is completed, cut off the remaining portion of the unused welding rod. Welding must be done on both sides of the box along the break. Welding the second side of the break is done exactly the same way. Patches may also be welded onto the box. The patch need not be of the same color as the box. Position the patch over the area to be covered. Hold the welding gun at an angle of 45 degrees to the patch and weld the patch into place. With a good weld, it's nearly impossible to separate the joined parts. The Dolav Box Pal, the box that doesn't quit.